To all my beloved thousands of viewers and followers all over the world, mostly Philippines, good morning. This is Evelyn Minglana Ritisa, owner of Splash World and Resort. I am very much thankful to each and every one of you for having time in viewing and following my Facebook account, in spite that you're all busy. Don't you worry, my friends, for I will try my very best to share with you my little knowledge and ideas of different things. Example, on how to manage or utilize your time of the day. For we all know that time is gold. I'm hoping to see you again on my next following videos to come. Lastly, thank you very much. God bless us all.